Where other law firms saw a lost cause, we saw a second chance. At a four-way intersection, the vehicle that our client's a passenger in has a green arrow. They go to turn left. There's another vehicle coming from the opposite direction. They have a red light, they go through the red light, and they crash. The vehicle that our client's a passenger in, the actual point of impact was right where he was sitting. Our client was so catastrophically injured that he could no longer speak anymore. He could no longer walk. He couldn't do anything by himself. No one would take the case. Several law firms looked at the case, looked at the crash report, turned it down. Just looking at it face value, it was blaming the driver of the car that our client was in. But there was something else that was just missing. Something didn't make right when I was reading that crash report. And I got together with Fran in my office, who's one of our fantastic attorneys. And we started discussing the different things and the steps to take so we could try to help this poor kid out.
We found every single witness, everybody that was there, deposed the police officers that responded. I spoke to every single person that was at the scene. While speaking to them, I realized that my intuition was right. Our client was not at fault. As we did all these things, we found that it was pretty much impossible that the story in the crash report mirrored what had actually happened. That's when we started saying, okay, we're gonna fight to build an argument to that police report so we can overcome that police report and not just show how much this has impacted our client and how much pain him and his family are in, but really show that he was not at fault. In addition to the pain he's suffering, he was really the victim of this accident.
We were able to do so many different things by looking at the facts, having an open mind, and we were able to show that our client was not at fault. And he was tragically, catastrophically injured for the rest of his life. Because we were able to do that, we were able to set his family up for him to be taken care of for the rest of his life.
Had the family just given up at that point and not continued to fight, nothing would have been done and they wouldn't have gotten justice. At Viles and Beckman, we're not going to just turn it down at a glance. We're really going to dig in and see if there's any opportunity to help you and your family. If you have a catastrophic injury, we're gonna give you that 5-star experience no matter what. We're going to be advocating for you as if you were our own family.